Good morning, students. So today we'll go to the next part, that is expressions. Okay, so this is the next part of algebra chapter. So in last two class we have studied that what is algebra, what is variables, and how we are using the variables in different rules, like in numeric rules or geometric rules, arithmetic rules and your geometric rules. So today we'll see how we'll make an expression, means what is expression and how it is formed. Okay, so we are knowing that variables can take different values, means it has no fixed value, they have no fixed value, and they are numbers. Numbers means we can put x as a variable, we can put x as a 1, x as a 2, x as a 3, x as a 4, means it is number but it has no fixed value. Arithmetic expression may use numbers and all operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Like here you say 2 plus whole 9 minus 3. So this is an expression, but this is what? Arithmetic expression. So the value you can find, the fixed value, means 2 plus 9 minus 3 is how much? It is 6. 2 plus 6 is how much? 8. So look, we have got one fixed value. So this one is arithmetic expression, 4 into 6 whole minus 8. So what is the value of this? 4 into 6 is how much? 24 minus 8. Here you can write that 16. 24 minus 8 is 16. So this is an expression, and where we are using numbers, everywhere we are using numbers and it has fixed value. Okay. So another expression is what? That is algebraic expression. Means algebra we are using variables, means in algebraic expression we will use variables. Okay, so expression with variables are known as algebraic expression. Look at here, 2m 5 plus t. What you will say? 2m means what? 2 into m means 2 is multiplied to m. 5 plus t is what? 5 is added to t, means ଆମେ ଏଠି 5 add करछु, ଏଠି 2 multiply करछु. By looking at this we can say, so this is an algebraic expression. An expression containing variable or variables cannot be analyzed until its value is given. ଆମେ जेता value पाइबानी ଆମେ ताको analyze परिबा नहीं. Okay, analyze means ଆମେ तारो value बाहर करि परिबानी. Okay, so look at here. Example 1 given, find 3x minus 2. So this is an expression. So what we will do? We have to find the value. If x is equal to 6, if x is equal to 6, so what you will write? 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 is what? 3 into x minus 2. So 3 into, we will put the value of x, that is how much? 6. 6 minus 2. So that is how much? 3 6 18 minus 2. It is how much? 18 minus 2 is how much? 6. Like that we can find the value if value of an algebraic expression if the value of variable is given. तो तमरो variable value दिया है जेतले तमे expression value बाहर करि परिबो. So let's see how expression are formed and how you can read and write expression. तमे केमते ताकू पढिबो, तमे केमते ताकू लेखिबो गोटे expression को. Okay, so look at here, written 12 minus y means याकू तुम पढ़ो जो कौन 12 minus y minus means what? एठी कौन करा हिची? The operation is what? Subtraction. So you can tell, means in English तुम ओडिया रे कौन कहंद 12 y थारु subtract हिची. So what you can say? Y is subtracted from 12 is subtracted from लेखिबनी कौन लेखिबो? Y is subtracted from 12. Okay, next 6x means what? 6 into x. You will write 6 is multiplied to x, or you can write that x is multiplied to 6. Here look, t plus 9 means what? Plus means what? What we have done? Addition. So what you will write? T is added to 9, or you can write that 9 is added to t. Anything will be possible. So Next you will see here written z by 3. By means what? Division. That one you can write that z divided by 3. So you can write it as that z is divided by 3, or you can write z divided by 3. Z divided by 3. Next you see minus 3 plus a. What here? You can say a is added or a added. You don't omit the a. Sorry, is. You write only a added to minus 3. Or you can write that minus 3 add to a. Next is 4 and minus 5. So here 5 is subtracted to 4n. 5 subtracted from 4n. But here 4n means what? 4 is multiplied to n. So you write 4 multiplied to n. And then 5 is not is right. So 5 subtracted from the product. Okay, product is what? 4 multiplied to n is 4n. The same thing you will write. First what you will write? 2 into y, that is 2 multiplied to y, and then 5 added to the product. Like this you can explain the expression. Okay. Next you see here explanation is given. You will write the expression like 7 subtracted from m. What you will write? M is given m minus 7, not 7 minus m. Okay. What you will write? M minus 7, because ଆମର m ଠାରୁ s subtract ହଉଛି, s ରୁ m subtract ହଉନି, ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ m minus 7. Next 3 is added to q. This one you can write that q plus 3. n is multiplied by 4. So what you can write? 4n. X is divided by 6. What you can write? X by 6. Then z is multiplied by minus 2. So z into minus 2. What you can write? Minus 2z. Okay. Then p multiplied by 9 and then 3 added to the product. So what you write? P multiplied by n means p into n. Then you add 3. What you can write? 9p plus 3. Next you see r multiplied by 6 and 2 subtracted from the product means r into 6, then 2 subtracted means minus 2. So here what you will write? 6r minus 2. So this is about what? How we will form the expression, how we will write the expression, and how we will explain the expression. Next, we can use this expression in practical life, means practically, like 3 boys go to theatre. The total cost of tickets and popcorn is rupees 44. Express the total cost using A and B. So here total cost is given. So what we'll do? Let cost of ticket equal to T and cost of popcorn. We are using what? We will find the expression, na? Then for expression we will put the variables popcorn P. So the cost of one ticket and cost of one popcorn. So 3 boys will use 3 ticket and 3 boys will use 3 popcorn. So cost of 3 tickets equal to 3t and cost of 3 popcorns equal to 3p. So total cost is how much? Total cost is what? 3t plus 3p. So this is what? This is an expression of total cost. Okay. So like that you can find this expression in your practical life. Let's see some more examples. Raju's father's age is 2 years more than 3 times of Raju's age. Write an expression if Raju's age is X. Okay. So answer is what? You can write Raju's age equal to how much? X. So Raju's father's age is how much? 2 years more than 3 times of Raju. Means 2 years more means 2 plus you will do, and 3 times Raju says means 3 into Raju says. So what is that? 3 into Raju's age plus 2 more, 2 years more. So what you can write? 3 into Raju's age is what? X plus 2. That is what? 3x plus 2 years. Okay, so Raju's father's age is how much? 3x plus 2 years. Next you can see that how old was Susan 4 years ago if the age of Susan is m years now. Okay, so 4 years ago. Ago means before. Okay, means 4 ବର୍ଷ ପୂର୍ବରେ. So how we will find the solution? We will take Susan's age. Now Susan's age equal to how much? M years. Okay. So 4 years ago. Okay, 4 years ago means before. Means purboru. So what we'll do? For ago, what we'll do? We'll do subtraction. So M minus 4. 4 years ago, Susan's age equal to M minus 4 years. Next we'll see price of wheat per kg is rupees 5 less than price of rice per kg. What is the expression using price of rice per kg be rupees p? So let price of rice per kg equal to rupees p. So price of wheat per kg equal to how much you will write? So it is 5 less than price of rice. So 5 less than means rupees p minus how much? 5. 5 less than means rupees p minus 5. So this is all about how we'll write the expression and how we'll use this expression to express in our practical life. So this is about today's class. I hope you have understood. Thank you.